Hey, how's it going guys? My name is Rao and this is my first sponsored video. People also giving me free stuff. So today's video is sponsored by Franchies. Franchie is a snack. It consists of a cookie dipped in chocolate and then topped off with a cranberry. They also have another version called Crunchies. Buying link is in the description below.
It's already open. I'm just doing this for the video. What's in this? The cute little thank you note. Thanks Babu, give me the best. Wow, look at how she packed this. So nice. Crunchy. Let's try this out. Actually, it's pretty nice. The berry thing, the cranberry, quite good actually. Now let's try this. Oh, looks mouth watering already. Delicious. Right now, let's get to work. Actually, I want to taste it again. So nice. I'll take the big chunk right here. I prefer the biscuit more than the cocoa crunch thing.
So I received this package and my client wants me to do a photo shoot. My client gave the freedom of taking the product picture anyhow I want. So for the first shoot, I took it under the sun. Working under the sun is quite a hard job actually. So mostly everyone who has a DSLR camera can take pictures like that, but I wanted to do a little bit more. So I created a mini studio. I have been keeping up with this food videographic things. So I think again, what product am I shooting? I was shooting a food product, which is a biscuit covered in chocolate. To make a picture look good, I have to freshly create a new batch. Obviously, I'm not in the Franchie factory or something, so I had to create my own biscuit and my own chocolate sauce. So the cookie method didn't work and I think I'm going to use the traditional way. And for the chocolate sauce, I simply followed a YouTube recipe. Cocoa powder, 1 cup of sugar, and this is how the photo turned out. You know, I had to make a little bit adjustment here and there, like the chocolate was a bit too dark and I had to Photoshop it to make it a little bit brownish. Let's see what my client has to say.
Hi.
Okay, Mrs. Client, what do you think about my work?
The pictures are really good and you did really reach my expectation level. I can see the professional touch in every picture. They are so good and I like it. We shall collab more soon, okay?
Okay, we surely will. So if you are really interested to buy the franchise, you can click the link in the description and buy it from there. Alright, I think that's it for this video. Hope you like this video. Bye bye. We live in a generation where we buy stuff that we don't really need with the money we don't have to impress people we don't like.